Hi all, this is a short video on how to calculate the IP address range given a CIDR notation. This is a really cool website which gives you a nice view of it, but I figured I'll just give some little explanation. So for example, if you have an IP like 192.168.10/24, you want to know the range of IP addresses in the CIDR notation. CIDR, you can always read up about it more. It's a classless interdomain routing. And I'm not going to go into details here, but often the need is, hey, how do I know the range of IPs? So here it says the first usable IP is this, and the last is usable IP is this. How exactly did they figure that out? All right, so this 24 is the subnet mask. So in other words, these are the 24 bits starting from the most significant bit to be ignored. So we have 8 bits here, 8 bits, 8, and 8, right? Totally 32 bits in an IPv4 address. So we're saying, oh, ignore the 24 bits. So we're going to ignore these three. Now, what's the max value we can have in this last 8 bits? In binary, right? Like we start with 2 power 0. So if you add them all, it'll be 255. And now if you see this or sentence here, if your mask value is less than 30, we are supposed to ignore the 0th value and the very last value. So that's why we ignore the 0 and the 255 value. Now what if I change it to 26? Now 8, 16, 24, 26. So we ignore all digits still here. And then compute what is the max value I can have here. Again, if you look at this conversion rate, the first 6 digits. So basically compute 32 plus 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. This comes to 63. But again, because this value is less than 30, we have to get rid of the very last value. So that's why the value 62 is the ending value. And we also won't use the starting value, which is 0. So the usable range is 1 to 62. Now if we went ahead and tried a value greater than 30, like here, so ignore 31 digits, we are left with just 1 digit, and the max value is just 1. But in this case, since the value is greater than 30, we can use both 0 and the very last value, which is 1. Hope this short video was useful to understand how to get the IP ranges. Thank you.